Hi Mewtwo, and today on Stachi I'm going to show you how to make rich and luxurious eel kabayaki that can be used for unagi donburi or unaju. We're going to start by making the kabayaki sauce, so first grab a pan and add 3 tablespoons of coarse light brown turbinado sugar and 1 teaspoon of dark brown sugar like muscovado. Heat on medium high and mix it around to heat evenly. When it starts to melt, add 75 ml of sake and 75 ml of mirin. Keep stirring to help the sugar dissolve and prevent burning, and let the mixture boil for 1 to 2 minutes to burn off some of the alcohol. Next, add 75 ml of dark soy sauce and reduce the heat to a simmer. We're going to leave that to gently bubble for about 10 minutes or until thick and glossy. Remember to stir it occasionally to make sure it doesn't burn. This is enough for 2 portions, so if you half it for 1 portion, keep an eye on it because it will thicken faster. In the meantime, let's prepare eel. Cover a large cutting board with plastic wrap and place your eel skin side down. I also recommend putting a damp tea towel underneath the board to stop it from moving. We're gonna cut it into 3 or 4, so use a sharp knife and rather than moving the knife, push the eel forwards and backwards while gently pushing the knife down. Eel is very slippery and can be dangerous to cut, so sliding it back and forth on the plastic wrap is actually safer because the knife is less likely to slip. Make sure to get eel that has already been cut, gutted and deboned by a professional. It will make your life a lot easier. Some people like to cook and eat the head. I personally don't, but it's totally up to you. Okay, let's check our sauce. Although we're using this kabayaki sauce for unagi, it also goes great with cheaper fish like catfish or conger eel too. It's been about 10 minutes and it's looking glossy and smelling great, so let's take it off the heat and set it aside for later. Next, take a large pan and place the eel skin side down on medium low. Pour in 1 tablespoon of sake for each eel and cover with a lid. Once the sake starts to bubble and steam, set a timer for 3 minutes. This is one trick to make your eels extra tender, fluffy and soft, but you can skip this step if you grill your eel on an outdoor barbecue. While we wait, start preheating your fish grill or broiler or medium high. I also recommend placing foil under your wire rack for easier cleanup later. After 3 minutes, take your eel off the heat. It doesn't need to be fully cooked here, just lightly steamed. Once the grill is preheated, transfer the eel to the wire rack, skin side down and grill for 6 minutes. By steaming and grilling the eel, the inside is fluffy and soft while the outside gets a bit crispy, especially the skin. After 6 minutes, flip it over and repeat on the skin side for 5 minutes. Real kabayaki is cooked over charcoal grill, so keep an eye on it and aim for a slightly charred surface. Make sure not to let the skin burn, otherwise it will become dry and bitter. Once it's nicely crispy, we're gonna brush it with the kabayaki sauce we made earlier. You might have seen the unagi restaurants have big pots of sauce that they dip the skewered eel into, but this is a home style recipe and making that much sauce isn't very economical. Once it's fully coated, place it back under the grill for 30 seconds. Then flip and repeat 3 times on each side. I know it's a lot of flipping and coating, but this just ensures the sauce doesn't burn. Okay, this looks great, so let's dish up. First, get your rice. Today I'm making unaju, which is served in a box called jubako, rather than in a bowl like donburi. Brush the surface of the rice with the leftover sauce, then arrange the unagi on top. These steps will be the same if you want to make the rice ball instead. For an authentic touch, sprinkle the top with sansho pepper. And that's it, how to make luxurious unaju or unagi-don at home. And great news, I've launched a free mobile app that makes following along with my recipes even easier. It's the perfect kitchen companion after watching my videos. You can access step-by-step instructions right on your phone while you cook. The download link is in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. For more details including types of eel and step-by-step instructions, visit my blog. The link is displayed on screen now. Thanks for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.